Welcome. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to change to light mode on ChatGPT. So when we say light mode, it means that your background will change from black to white. So you can understand it later on. So first of all, if you asked ChatGPT on how to turn on light mode on ChatGPT, let's wait for a while for its answer. So it says that I'm sorry, but as an AI language model, I don't have a light or dark mode to turn on or off. So it's not true because I will show it to you later on. So as you can see here on the left side of your screen, there's a section says that light mode. So go ahead and click that, and in just a snap you can see that your background is now white and it is not the same as before. So if you want to change it back to dark mode, just go again to left side of your screen and click dark mode, and there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next video and have a great day.